Hello besties, today we are going to make chicken seasoning. Remember, every homemade is something which can taste very different. Now let us get into this. Now let's see what you will need for chicken seasoning. You will need bell peppers, carrot, celery, green onion, you can call it spring onions, and chicken breast. I'm going to cut everything into small pieces. After that, I will put into my air fryer, which I will use my stove because my stove has everything. Now, this will be taking us 10 hours. Let us do this together. At first, I put separately chicken breast, and then after that, I mixed all together. Look, after our 10 hours of air frying this one, this is how it looks like. Now, let us go and put everything into a blender and start blending. So at first, I used a small blender, but I felt like it's not really blending good. Then I switch into my big one, and this really worked very good. Now, no matter how dirty it is, hey, we have to clean it up. This is how it looks like. I added a spoon of garlic powder and a spoon of turmeric. So it's good when you are doing something for yourself, you are free to add anything you want. Here is our chicken seasoning, guys. Look how this looks like, so good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye.